Yangzhou, a famous cultural city with a history of more than 2,500 years, is home to the manufacturing base of Inlux Solar. In spring, Yangzhou enjoys mild and pleasant weather with blooming flowers, fully displaying the gentle charm of a water town. In the south of the Yangtze River, relying on the Grand Canal, Yangzhou has long been a key hub for trade and cultural exchanges between northern and southern China since ancient times. Men of letters such as Li Bai and Du Mu visited here and left timeless masterpieces. Slender West Lake, Ji Garden and He Garden are picturesque scenic spots in spring. Inlux Solar is rooted here, leveraging Yangzhou's sound industrial and logistics advantages. It exports high-quality solar lighting products to the world, supporting global sustainable development. Meanwhile, the exquisite Huaiyang cuisine and Yangzhou fried rice embody the city's dedication to craftsmanship and quality. Spring in Yangzhou offers both beautiful scenery and promising opportunities. Inlux Solar sincerely invites global merchants to visit Yangzhou, enjoy the charming scenery and discuss cooperation.